Dakshit, what are you going to do today?
Experiment.
Oh, great. You want to do experiment?
Yes.
So let's begin.
Okay.
For this, what materials and equipments have you taken?
Yes. I was taken 2 cups and water and
Stirring.
stirring stick and cylinder and ये क्या था?
Measuring cup.
Measuring cup and blue color, yellow color and 2 scoop and acid.
This is citric acid.
This is
Okay, you have taken citric acid.
and baking soda.
This is baking soda. Show us. This is baking soda.
This
Okay.
is baking soda.
Okay, you have taken baking soda, citric acid, and other equipments you require for this experiment. Okay, right?
Okay, right.
So, let's get started now.
Okay.
You have to pour 25 milliliter water in this measuring jar, right?
Yes.
Okay, this is now you have taken 25 milliliter. As you can see, this is
25 milliliter water.
okay. This is 25 milliliter water, and you have to pour it in a cylinder jar, right?
Right.
Okay, you have poured in this water.
Yes.
Okay, now next, what are you going to do? You have to pour 2 drops of yellow color, right?
Okay.
2 drops of yellow color you want to pour. Okay, this is 2 drop.
मैं करूँगा.
1 drop. Put
Yeah,
it rightly.
पहले blue.
You have to pour 2 drops of this blue color. This is 1 drop.
गया.
1 drop and again 1 drop. Okay, 2 drops of blue color you have poured in, and now
Yellow.
2 drops of yellow color. Okay, very good. 1 drop. 1 drop. Press it hard. 1 drop, and again this is 2 drops. Okay, you have poured in 2 drops of blue color and 2 drops of yellow color, right?
Right.
Right, isn't it, Dakshit?
Yes.
You have to stir it with a stirring stick. So what next are you going to do? Stirred in this, this is being properly mixed, yellow color and blue color. Now you have to keep it aside, right, Dakshit?
Right.
You have to keep it aside. Now next, what you have to do? You have to take this
Citric acid.
citric acid. Okay, you have to take this citric acid and again this baking soda. Okay, so Dakshit, what you have to do with citric acid and baking soda? You have to take 1 scoop each of both, right?
Right.
Okay, you have taken 1 scoop of citric acid, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay, and keep it in a
Done.
jar. Okay, now again you have to take 1 scoop of baking soda, right?
Right.
So open it properly. Be careful. Shall I help you?
Yes.
Okay. 1 scoop of baking soda, right?
Right.
Okay, this is 1 scoop of baking soda. You have to keep in that jar you have taken. So now you have mixed baking soda and citric acid 1 scoop each, isn't it, Dakshit?
Yes.
Okay, so what next are you going to do?
I have to mix it well.
Okay, you are mixing citric acid and
Baking soda.
baking soda together. Okay. So what next we have to do? We have to mix that this water you have taken earlier, you have the water you have taken with yellow color and blue color. So you have to pour in that water into this mixed bowl.
Okay.
Okay. Be careful, Dakshit. Oh, you can see this fizz coming out, isn't it? Dakshit, can you see it?
Yes.
Your fizz coming out?
Yes.
Okay, so do you know why is this fizz coming out?
No.
So let's be closer now. Have you seen this magic, Dakshit?
Yes.
Okay. This fizz has come out, as you can see, and let this fizz settle down, and once again we can see this magic, Dakshit, and again later on we'll show your friends that why this fizz came out, right, Dakshit?
Yes.
Okay, so let this be settled then. It is going to be settled down as I will bring it closer, and again see still bubbles coming out. So Dakshit, are you enjoying this experiment?
Yes.
Okay, so this has settled down, and once again we are just going to show this magic fizz. Okay, right, Dakshit? We have to pour in another 25 milliliter of water into this mixture, and again we can see this fizz. Okay?
Okay.
So Dakshit, so just pour in this water into this jar, 25 milliliter. Take this measurement properly. 25 milliliter, Dakshit. Okay, this is done now.
Yes.
Yeah. Again you pour in this water into this mixture. Yes. You can pour in directly also. Okay. Just transfer this water into this bowl. Whoa. See this magic? Again see this magic? Interesting, Dakshit?
Yes.
Enjoying, baby?
Yes.
Okay, so just now tell us about the facts behind this experiment. Okay, you have added water, and in that water you have added 2 drops of blue color, 2 drops of yellow color, and again into that water you just keeping aside this yellow color and blue color water, you have taken one bowl, and again in that bowl you have added 1 scoop of citric acid and 1 scoop of baking powder. And once this citric acid and baking powder are mixed dry, you poured in that mixed water, whatever you kept aside with yellow color and blue color, and you poured that water into this baking powder and citric acid mixture. So now we will tell our friends what is the reason behind this fizz which came out from this mixture. Okay, so let's explain this.
Okay.
To explain our friends that why this happened, okay, and science behind this your experiment today. And I will tell you on Dakshit's behalf that since he is too young to explain this magic experiment, I will just try to explain to you that when citric acid and baking soda are mixed in water, a chemical reaction takes place. The fizz that we saw are bubbles of carbon dioxide gas, actually the carbon dioxide gas being released. This same kind of fizz can be observed when a soft drink bottle is opened. Friends, as you can see that whenever you open your cold drinks bottle, you see that same fizz which we saw in this experiment that came out, because even that soft drink also contains that carbon dioxide, which is that fizz which came out once that bottle is opened, right? So actually this is carbon dioxide which comes out from the mixture of citric acid and baking soda. So Dakshit, are you satisfied with this experiment? Okay?
Okay.
So tell your friends bye-bye and wish them another experiment tomorrow.
Okay.
Are you ready to show them another experiment tomorrow?
Yes.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Wish you all a good luck.